So what we're going to do in this video is tint all the lights, basically all black, apart from the indicators on the front. I want to get a brighter orange because I think that'll make it look so much better against the paint. So we're going to do that in this video. Let's go. First thing we've got to do is clean the lights. So I have done this side. I'm just going to dry it and just going to do the other side. So change your plans. I'm not wrapping them now. I am spraying them. So this is what the first one looks like. That is all sprayed. And that is compared to this. So just going to take that one off. And yeah, spray that one. Just putting on the first coat now. So yeah, might be a bit hard doing it one-handed, but we'll give it a go. If you haven't used this sort of stuff before, you have to do it in thin layers, so it might take a little while to build up. I think I did 4 layers on the other one, just to give you a rough estimate of how dark it can go. But it can also go a lot darker as well if you spray it even more. But yeah, I'll show you on the end results. Just done the last coat on this one. It looks kind of light, but it might be the sunlight. So I'm going to put it back in the car and I'll show you what the rear end looks like afterwards. Of the car, not mine. Also, added bonus, I got rid of that annoying sticker mark that was left here. So it looks a lot cleaner on the back window. So the rears are done and this is what it looks like. It's only slight, but in my opinion, it looks pretty good. So now we're going to move on to the fronts and we're either going to wrap them or spray them, depends on how it goes. But I'll let you know if it goes terribly wrong, just like the rears did. And yeah, let's do it. So we're starting the fronts right now and I'll show you what it looks like because I had to mask it up, unfortunately, because the wrap would not sit properly for me. So I tried it before off camera just to see, but we're going to spray them. So I'll show you what it looks like so far. Here it is all masked up. Ignore the rubbish masking, it's just stuff that I had just so I can record this. So I was an idiot and forgot to record showing you the whole car complete. So here's some pictures I took afterwards. Hope you enjoy them and also appreciate you watching the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.